Hi everyone. Today I will tell you a story. The Snake and the Saw. The story is in a wood shop. It is very quiet. A little snake comes in. He wants to see the shop. He hits a saw on the floor. Ouch! He is a bit hurt. The snake is very angry. He thinks, the saw hit me. He wants to fight the saw. He bites the saw. Oh no! His mouth is hurt. The saw is very hard and sharp. The snake is now very, very mad. He grabs his body around the saw. He pulls it very tight. But the saw cuts the snake. The snake is badly hurt. When we are angry, we don't think, and we hurt ourselves, just like the snake. When you are mad, remember 3 steps. 1. Stop. 2. Breathe. 3. Think. Being calm is the best. It protects you. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.